Hello everyone. Welcome to our class of Adobe Illustrator for learning about the essentials. So if you're planning to learn about it from the beginning, then you are in the right place because we will cover in this class from the basic to advanced. This is a beginner level class, so if you have no previous experience, then you can join this class. Let's take a look what you will learn from this class. Introduction to Adobe Illustrator, user interface, collaboration, tools and functionality, mastering tabs and ribbons, visualizations, and usage of Adobe Illustrator. After completing this class, you will be able to use the interface of Adobe Illustrator easily, create stunning designs, collaborate, and how to find the needed tools whenever you want. This is a project-based class, so during learning, you will have class projects. So what you have learned, you will be able to participate in class projects, so you can do practice while you are learning. You will have supporting resources in this class, so it will be easier for you to learn. While learning, if you face any issue or if you have any question, then feel free to ask me. I'm always there to help you. So let's start learning Adobe Illustrator Essential.